It's Mega Grace Hour on Vuma 103 exactly 9 minutes before 6 o'clock la kuvuma 103 mhlambe ke sizophuma umsebenzi njengamanje. Maybe you're going to work this morning. Before uphume bamba nje sengivala, before uphume, before uvala isicapho uvala ne radio yakho bamba sengivala bese uyaphuma nje just few minutes then you can go. Bamba ke sengivala. Namhlanje kuseni ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe. If you read the Bible in the book of Matthew chapter 14 from verse 22 to verse 26, you will find the disciples of Jesus Christ were busy emkhumbini. Lethi iBhayibheli kwakunomoya omkhulu namandla. Balethi iBhayibheli kwasekusa they saw umuntu eza kanti kwakuJesu babembona ehamba phezulu kwamanzi. He was walking on water, and one of his disciples igama lakhe loPeter wathi Nkosi uma kunguwe yisho ukuthi nami ngihambe phezulu kwamanzi. After esesho njalo Peter, he said those words. Wase wathi uJesu, Peter, come. Wasuka uPeter wenza into impossible, wenza into engenziwa ngokujwayelekile. Wasuka wahamba phezulu kwamanzi. And the Bible says he walked on water and he was approaching Jesus as he was walking on water. But the good thing ayenza uPeter, his focus was on Jesus. Into yamenza ukuthi akwazi ukuhamba phezulu kwamanzi, it's because he was not focusing on the storm. He was not focusing on the waves, but he was focusing on Jesus. For you to prosper in life, you need to focus on God. For you to succeed in whatever that you are doing, for you to achieve whatever dream that you are dreaming about, you need to focus on God. And don't change your focus, because the moment you change your focus, it's the moment you will sink. It's the moment you will fail in life. The Bible says bambona uPeter ehamba phezulu kwamanzi ngenxa ukuthi focus yakhe yayingekho emanzini akahamba phezulu kwawo. Kuyenzeka empilweni sibhekane nezimvunguvungu, sibhekane storms, sibhekane nama trials, sibhekane nama twists and turns, but don't focus on the storm, don't focus on the trials obhekane nawo njengamanje, but keep your focus on God. Ungabheki ukuthi iziphi izinto obhekane nazo kwamanje, but you must never change your focus because of the trials that are happening around you. Awunawo amandla okucontrol izinto ezenzeka around wena, but unamandla okucontrol ukuthi yiphi into engena ngaphakathi kwakho. Ukube kuthi uPeter wabuka ukuthi umngakanani umoya olwandle, he was not going to walk on the sea, but he was able to walk on water. He did the impossible because focus yakhe was not on what was happening around. Inkinga yakho ubheka kakhulu izinto ezenzeka around wena, futhi ubheka kakhulu nabantu abaseceleni kwakho. Change your focus this morning. Just focus on your dream and you will succeed in whatever that you are doing. Ngoba ma ubheka izinto ezi around wena zizokudiscourage kwesinye isikhathi. Ma ubheka ibank account yakho izokudiscourage kwesinye isikhathi. Ma ubheka ama qualification yakho azokudiscourage ngesinye isikhathi. Ma ubheka ipast yakho, it will discourage you. Don't focus on your past. Don't focus on your past failures. Don't focus kubantu abacriticizeayo, but focus on your goal. Focus on your dream. Focus on what you want to achieve. The moment you shift your focus, ungabheka uma distractors akho, that when you will succeed in life. That when your dreams will come into reality. That when you will achieve whatever that you want to achieve. Listen, ama disciples kaJesu ayembuza ethi uhlushwa yini Peter waphapha kangaka lento yenzayo ayikaze yenziwe. Bazokutshela abantu bethi leli business alikaze liqalwe la emlazi, wasukela into engakaze yenzeke emlazi kwenze njani, kanti you are doing the extraordinary. If you want to see the extraordinary in your life, you must start to do izinto ezi extraordinary. Unga expect ama results are extraordinary kodwa izinto zenzayo zi ordinary. You will only see extraordinary results by doing the extraordinary things. Ma wenza izinto obuzenza last year, you will still get the same results, but uma wenza izinto ngendlela eyahlukile kulonyaka uzothola ama results ahlukile. That's why Peter was able to walk on water, because he did the impossible. He focused on Jesus and never focused on storms. Ungabheka ama storms azokudiscourage bese uyaqwila, but focus on God, focus on Jesus. Just get up this morning, just dress up, just show up and never give up. Never change your focus. Bheka focus yakho ephupheni lakho kulento ofuna ukuyiachieve. Once you do that, you will see signs and wonders that will happen empilweni yakho. Uthi David babheka phezulu ubuso babo bakhanya abusoze bajaba. If ushintshe focus yakho, you will never be disappointed ngoba ufocus kuNkulunkulu, ufocus emaphupheni akho, ufocus eintweni ofuna ukuzenza. This is the Mega Grace Hour on Vuma 103. Kamalami nguphumlani ngwakankwanye nisibongo noma kanjani kusasa asiphinde sihlangane phakathi ka5 no6 kwivuma 103 Adult Radio for the young at heart. Good morning KZN.
Sometimes there are obstacles in the road that can leave you feeling low, and you don't know how to move forward. And sometimes there are turns you want to take, but the way gets hard to trace. Now you're wondering, how did you get here? But don't you give up until you see how God is ordering your steps, so you can walk into your seas. He that has begun a great work in you is faithful to perform. God is faithful to perform. He that has begun